Good morning, students. Now, today we will learn our continuation of our lesson number 8, that is drawing a table. Now, in Word, I had shown you how to draw the table in your first part, how to insert a table. Now, in this, we will learn something about editing the table. In that editing, okay, you can add more rows or columns, delete rows or columns, merge or split cells and split table, and many more. Okay, so now first one we'll learn about inserting a row or a column. Okay, now in wherever you want, if you have the existing table means if you have inserted a table in your Word document, so afterwards you'll be knowing that, or you'll be, if you want extra row or extra column, okay, or extra cell, so for that purpose what you can do, you can right click, okay, on the desired cell wherever you want to insert another row or a column. Select the insert, click on the insert row above or below, or insert columns to the left or right as required. The row or the column will be added to the your table. Now in this example, see, I had selected this one, and afterwards I had right click and I had gone to the option insert columns to the right. So I had got this one, and then I had written Thursday 3. Okay, so this was the example of inserting the column. Same way you can do to the left or above or rows below. Okay, above means it will come up, below means it will come down. Whichever cell you are selecting, okay, there you will get the rows or the columns or a cell. In the second one, how to delete a cells, rows, columns, or entire table. Now here also the same thing. If you have inserted anything, okay, so right click on the cell, row, column you wish to delete. Whichever cell if you want to delete it, or whichever row or fully column if you want to delete it, okay, click according to the options given there. So first option is shift cell left, shift cell up, entire row, entire column. Means left and up means if you are selecting, if you want to delete any one cell, particular cell, so if you are selecting it, that particular cell, it will give you the space there, okay, that you have to take the cell up or cell left. Or if you are selecting the entire row or entire column, also it will get deleted. Now next one is your merge cells. Now what is the meaning of merge cell? You can combine two or more cells into one by using the merge command. Now in a table, if I had inserted 4 rows, okay, if I had inserted 4 rows, see, or see this second example, you can see it better, where the rate is given. See, first is serial number, particular, quantity, estimate, and quoted, and upper side it is written rate. So that rate, where rate is written, correct, where rate is written, that cell I have merged. Okay, now what is the meaning of merge? Because estimate and quoted I had to be written, that two text in one, that is the rate, like a tree, family tree. So rate is given, estimate value of what is the estimate rate and what is the quoted rate. Okay, so that cell I have to merge it. So for that purpose, how will I will do, I will select that particular cell from the existing table. I will go to the layout tab. I will click on the merge cell option. Which option I will click? Now when you are inserting the table, correct, you will get two options. You will get two options. Which are the two options there you'll get? Okay, so you will get the layout option. In that layout tab you will get the option has a merge cells in the merge group. See here down you will get the merge group, and in that you will get the merge cell option, correct? And then, or you can go there also, and the second option is what? You will select that cell, okay, the particular cell, and then you will right click as you have done earlier in inserting a row, okay, a dialog box appears and select the merge cell option. So like that also you can do it with the help of right click. So these options, both the options you can do by the help of right click and with the help of layout tab. Split cell. Now what is the meaning of split cell? You can split the current cell into the multiple cells. Now here in the merge cell, two or more cells into one cell, okay, if you want to do two or more cells into one, and here one cell into multiple means the opposite, okay, vice versa. So see the example now, same thing, same option. You have to go to the layout tab. In that only you will select, instead of merge cell you will select split cells. Now what is the meaning of split cell? One particular cell is there. Now see here example I had given you, okay, there was a particular one cell, okay, where the image is written like that, only it was there of photo, correct? So that photo cell, okay, that I had divided into two rows, okay, so it has been divided into two rows. So I had taken the option as a split cells. The last one in this is split table. Now you will be knowing the meaning of split cell and split table. Table means the fully table will be divided into two parts, okay, one single table will be same. You will go to the design option, layout option. In that you will go to the split table in the merge group, okay. Now see, this was the table of 8 rows, so it has been divided into 4 rows. So I had kept my cursor here and I had said split table, and after saying split table option, by clicking on that I got my table to be splitted, okay, into two tables. Splitted means it is been divided into two tables. Last, formatting the table means adding a borders and shading to the tables. Now by default Word applies 0.5 point solid black line border around all the tables. When you are inserting the table, you are getting a 0.5 point solid black line border, means the border is been coming of 0.5 point, okay. So you can change the border and shading style of the entire table of a selected cell. So for a particular cell or for a fully table, if you want to change it, you can change it. Now how you will change it, what is the procedure for it? You will select the cell or the entire table, okay. If you want to give to the particular cell, you can give it, or otherwise for the particular fully entire table, if you want to give, you have to select it. On the home tab you have to click on the borders in the paragraph group, okay. Click on the borders and shading in the drop down menu. Now in the paragraph group, you will get one option there of borders and shading. In that, in the drop down menu, you have to click on borders and shading. So the dialog box appears. So you can see this dialog box, it will be appearing like this. Borders and shading. You will get the first option as a border, second option as a page border, third option as a shading. Correct? Now after doing that, you can choose the desired style, color and the width. See, you can choose the style, you can choose the color, and also you can choose the width. Okay, different styles are there, means different designs, point, star, like that designs are there. You can use different colors. Width means how much broad you want, so that is the width, you can change it. And afterwards you will click on the OK button to apply the border. And now last one in that is your shading. Okay, now what is the meaning of shading? Shading means a pattern is there, or you can fill the color also in that as per your choice, and you can click on the OK button, so it will get applied for the fully table. Okay, thank you.